Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 1st of May 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the Michigan House of Representatives passed a repeal of a 2023 law on Wednesday that removed local control over large-scale solar and wind farm permitting and gave that authority to state utility regulators. The bill is likely to hit a brick wall of opposition in the Democratic-led Senate. The legislation was intended to circumvent long-debated local ordinances that, in some cases, had barred large-scale renewable energy farms. This made it challenging for utilities to meet state-imposed renewable energy goals. A newly released research note from IntelStor indicates that the petulant aggression exhibited by the current U.S. administration against offshore wind technology is poised to wipe out $75 billion of investment in the USA. Much of this investment was foreign direct investment, which is now looking for other markets such as the UK, Poland, and even Australia. This reduction in investment spans Project CapEx, port infrastructure improvements, as well as factories and other supply chain investments. The loss includes the jobs not created and tax revenue not recognized by states or local municipalities. Additionally, there is a significant loss to the amount of research and development investment and grid infrastructure investment necessary to make the offshore wind market in the United States thrive. A nominee to be one of the president's top energy officials agreed that nullifying already granted permits sends a dangerous message to investors and developers. Leslie Bayer, who has been nominated to be the Assistant Secretary of the Interior, was grilled over the order to halt work on Equinor's Empire Wind issued by her new boss. When asked by Senator Angus King, Mrs. Bayer agreed that, quote, a step that withdraws an already issued permit is a dangerous message to the development community generally. ReBlade, a UK-based specialist in sustainable wind turbine removal, has announced the formal launch of its wind farm decommissioning consultancy service. The new service provides wind farm operators with complete decommissioning support, from initial strategy development through to implementation. It is designed to help operators navigate the complex technical, environmental, and regulatory challenges of wind farm end-of-life management. Glasgow-based Synaptech has developed new technology designed to tackle the issue of cable failures on offshore wind farms that can cost operators millions. The company's products provide automated monitoring of the joints and terminations in a cable network, delivering early warnings of emerging faults before they become failures. Around 70% of the cable failures originate in the joints and terminations rather than the cables themselves. A single fault in transmission networks or inter-array cables at offshore wind project sites is capable of costing up to £1 million per day in lost revenue. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.